Hello everybody, what have we got here? I'm going to open this and I'm going to show you. This is an LED multifunctional lithium lamp. Hey. It's good for night market stalls, a reading light, outdoor camping. It's got red and blue flashy so you can pretend to be the police. And mountain bracket. It doesn't come with a mountain bracket, I don't suppose, but it does go on a mountain bracket if you want it to. And it's got a magnet so you can stick it to anything metal, which will be good on your vehicle or where I am. So let's just get the box open and get it out. What have we got here? USB, brilliant. What's this? Nothing, just an empty box. Oh, let's open all this up. Little metal discs, I suppose they're magnets, I'm not sure. Get it around. Oh, it's big, isn't it? Instructions. There it is. Nice. Got a hooky thing. So, power button, obviously, and then you've got USB-C and normal USB for charging. And if we pop it on, tells you how much power you got. You've got 92%. Flick through the different modes, which is pretty cool. Nina, and off. Now, so we go to the first setting. If we hold the button, it dims, and then it does a little flick to tell you that you're at 10%. And it's from 10% all the way up to 100%. And then it will go dink to tell you you're at 100%. And that does that for each lighting mode, which I think is pretty cool. You get the picture. It has a hook on the top so you can hook it up if you want to, but it's also got magnets so you can stick it to anything metal, and also comes with these little metal discs so you can stick them wherever you want to stick it, in your van, wherever, workshop. You can just stick them up and it will stick to those, which is pretty awesome as well. 750 mAh if you want to know. In my workshop we don't have any electric, so this is ideal. So if I want to put it up, I can just stick it to the wall. Brilliant. Or I could stick it under here. Brilliant. Put her on. Nice. Give you a little bit of an idea. I've made it nice and dark in here, which it is. So if I was in here working, I could have it up there. And it lights up pretty good. That's on the brightest one. So they're very strong magnets as well. No problem sticking up there. So you can see it lights up pretty good. If I go to the darkest part, all the way down here, oh, it's really good light sticking up there. So we go up here, stick it on my metal racking there. Brilliant. And there it is. Love it. And there you have it. A handy, really handy light. Really good. I'm really impressed with this. It's definitely going to be a great addition to the van life kit. We'll put it in the van, I think. It is portable, so why not? I can bring it in here when I want to and use it in the van when I'm on my travels. Absolutely fantastic. So that is the LED multifunctional lithium lamp from LETOUR. This one is the model... This one is model T03. And we love it, actually. We absolutely love it. We think it's brilliant. yeah, we're already using it. We used it last night, pretty good. So, as per usual, links in the description if you want to grab yours. And we'll leave the video right there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Here's the jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever. Side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take. This thing called amazing race, no chance we'll break.